Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some hair transformations. Here we see someone get their hair turned into a long bob hairstyle. I love the color combination that she has for this. And she has got some beautiful thick hair. Very nice. And then we move into this pixie hair color change. So she starts off with dark hair and goes platinum. Such a beautiful transformation. Wow. Simply breathtaking. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a beautiful blonde shoulder length bob makeover, followed by a pixie bob transformation. Now the pixie bob is one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing this year. There's a very versatile look. I love how the stylists curl the hair on one side. And then we move into this purple pixie transformation. Nice asymmetrical shape here. Gorgeous color. Wow, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. This seems like such a fun hairstyle to try out. The color and the cut combination is just beautiful. Very nice. I love how he feathered that thing out too. Very cool. So then we have a long bob with a color change. Very nice. Looks like she's having more of like that ombre with the hair coloring. That ombre look. And then we move into another long bob and color change transformation. So it looks like she has some grown out roots here. The stylists, they did a nice color touch up and refresh. I love her outfit too. So cute. Curtain bangs with the longer bob style. Beautifully done. And then we have someone who has long hair who has decided to try out a bob. Oh, very nice. Loving this chic, simple bob. She tucked it behind one ear. This is really pretty. Definitely a classic. Next up, we move into a pixie color change. So she starts off with like this turquoisey gray color, and then it goes full gray silver. Very nice, loving it, this color idea. And then we see this dramatic long to short transformation. So the hair is put into ponytails and then cut right into a pixie style. Very nice. Gorgeous, classic pixie hair transformation. Next up, we have this curly, shaggy cut. So we're seeing so many different variations of the shag this season. We're seeing layers, bobs, pixies. And the stylist does an amazing job at framing her curls for this haircut. Beautiful. And then we move into another bob haircut transformation. The stylist once again does some face framing with the cutting. Very nice curtain bangs. Such a stunning hair change, very nice. And then we move into this pixie faded hair transformation. I love how the stylist kept cutting the hair until she found the look that she desired. Honestly, she looks like she can rock any look. She's so beautiful. And then we have a color change. Ooh, beautiful dimensional blonde coloring. That is a mix of brunette and blonde. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.